Cam, for you, and I'll ask John the same question, but can you share us how you first became involved in the mining and resources industry and what drew you to your business?
In the mining industry, I had a lot to do with that about 15 years ago, that industry, mainly in the United States, where we had our product, which was a safety device that went on top of tanker trucks and mining vehicles, was introduced to Orica and some of the mining operations out of Rio in Nevada. So I went around a lot of mines and a lot of expos in the United States and sort of got a feel for what the mining industry is all about. It's big machines, a lot of money, a lot of tech-driven business in those days was quite rudimentary, but over the last sort of 10 years I've seen the growth of a need for software as a service business in the mining industry take off. So it was nominal in the early days, but had exposure over 10 years in that safety business. So met a lot of executives and a lot of good people.
Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, I know some of the equipment because we used to use some of it up in Mount Isa Mines many years ago. So different stuff now, but amazing. And John, yourself? How did you get involved?
Yeah, get involved in mining. It's a strange question for me because I don't have much experience in mining, I'd say. I came from aerospace, as I said, aerospace and defence. Spent 15 years with Airbus, one of the largest aerospace companies in the world. But then when I moved to Australia, so I moved to Australia with my husband 3.5 years ago. And aerospace is a very budding industry in Australia, but mining's a bit more of a national pastime. So it was a very easy transition, and I think having a market that was so mature in this country meant that I could take the experience that I had from aerospace and really apply it to mining. And I think it's a really great industry for that because it's ripe for learning from other industries and really getting some high-tech solutions in place to help with safety and efficiency.
Yeah, it definitely is. I mean, mining's been learning from other industries for many years, so grab what we can.
And I will say it's been a really nice transition actually, because aerospace is an amazing industry. It does amazing things, but it is full of very large companies, full of kind of faceless organizations, I'd say. Everyone who works in aerospace, even like suppliers, are very big companies and focused purely on that. And I find I really like the mining space for its kind of camaraderie, and it's much more of a networking kind of style of business. It's all about people. It's actually been a really nice transition to come to that sort of an industry.
I think that's important, John. It's all about people. Mining is all about the people. They're down to earth, they're salt of the earth, and they get stuff done.
That's it. Yeah, it's an interesting business, that's for sure.